I can't figure out what to do about Nintendo Wii U Error Code 10.3.99.99 and 10.3.16.01.
Nintendo Tech Support says Nintendo Wii U Error Code 10.3.99.99 is often caused by wireless interference.
This isn't happening because someone set up a Wi-Fi hotspot by the Wii U.
You could be trying to use the Wii too far from the console, so it isn't working.
It doesn't work when I'm really close to it either.
Open the entertainment cabinet door.
It isn't closed and it isn't metal, so you can't blame that.
The Wii U Error Code 10.3.99.99 could also be due to an inability to connect to the servers.
You can't blame it on a lack of internet access, because other devices can connect to the internet.
Then it is due to the Wii U's connection to the router.
Are you going to suggest I reboot the router?
That's one possibility. Or you can delete and recreate the Wii's connection to the internet.
I don't know how to do that.
Bring up the menu, pick System Settings, Internet, select it with A, pick Connect to Internet, and it brings up the list of Wi-Fi networks it can see.
I don't have more than one network it could connect to, so I can't solve this by switching Wi-Fi networks.
If the Wii U has never connected to the Wi-Fi before, I'd wonder if the wireless router has incompatible settings like not being on 2.4 GHz, not using WEP, TKIP, AS or WPA2.
I haven't changed the settings like that.
Still bring up the settings, and make sure you have the right Wi-Fi network security key.
That's the fancy name for the network password.
You'll get both these errors if the Wii U is trying to access the internet using the wrong password.
I didn't change it.
Someone else may have changed it, but you can check that by logging into the router settings, and checking the wireless security settings field with the password.
You're right. Rebooting is the easiest way to try to fix this.
I've heard of this error happening a lot with Mario Kart 8 and Zombie U. You could switch games to see if that works.
That would only tell me if the problem was the game servers.
If you get the issue for multiple games, then the error is more likely on your side. Delete your Wi-Fi connections, power cycle the router, then recreate the Wi-Fi connections.
What about Wii U Error 10.3.16.01?
That's another one Nintendo blames on wireless interference, and the manual's solution is reboot the router. Delete extra devices off the router network to reduce interference, or delete and recreate the network profile.
I am not getting interferences on the router because I have too many devices connected to it.
So switch wireless channels. Nintendo recommends channels 1 and 11.
At least they are not telling me to put the console up on a pedestal.
You can try that, but giving the Wii U a retro-wired connection to the internet while all your other devices are wireless could help too.